Welcome to planetgoals.com. In this tutorial we will learn how to categorize our articles and list them accordingly. For example, I have 4 menu items. That is art, tech, shopping and resources. I will add these categories to our articles I'll make menu items with name art, tech, shopping and resources. When I click on art, I want all the article type of art to appear. When I click on tech, I want all the article types of tech to appear, and so on. To achieve this functionality, we will use a module named taxonomy. Click on structure. You see a link with name taxonomy. Click on it. When you click on taxonomy, you have a link with name add vocabulary. Right on top, you will create a vocabulary, say with name category or maybe section. Section sounds better. Click on save. Once you create the vocabulary, we will add terms to it. We have a vocabulary named sections. Now we will add terms to this vocabulary. Terms are nothing but the names we want. We have art, so we'll add a term with name art. Second would be tech. Third would be shopping. And fourth would be resources. Okay, now once you've done adding all the categories, what we would do is click on structure again, go under content type. Now we want that section name to appear under articles, so you will click on manage fields for article. Now what you need to do is add a new field here. So we'll name it section with a capital S. Now make sure when you select the drop down, you select term reference. You select term reference and then you can select a select list here. Now click on save. Now you will get a drop down here with vocabulary, sections, click on save. The number of values you want to see would be only 1. Click on save again. Okay, now once you are done doing this, you can rearrange it. I'll do that later. Just click on save. And now I'll click on add content and I'll show how the article page looks now. Click on article and you see that section drop down has come with 4 terms that we created. So what we'll do is bring this thing on top and we'll make it a required field. So just drag this thing and bring it below title. We can also make it a required field by clicking on edit. So if we don't select a section, we won't be able to go any further. Okay, now I'll just refresh this page. You see the section is very second link here. We have to select a section to create an article now. Okay, now how to list them according to the section. How we'll create a menu item here and we'll list these articles according to the section. I'll cover this thing in the next tutorial, and this is it for this tutorial. Thank you.